Yo guys, what's up? My name is Pejman and today I'm turning Spider-Man into a full-on apocalyptic zombie. I've been planning this for a long time and today we're finally doing it. And quick heads up, this is my first ever video, so if you enjoy it, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more. Alright, let's talk materials. 2 hands, a ton of aluminum foil, wire, loads of polymer clay, a rolling pin, sculpting tools, metal mesh, brushes and fine liners, acrylic paints, and last but not least, a mixing palette. And yeah, way too much coffee. Because trust me, you're gonna need patience for this one. First, I build the base shape using foil and wire. Then I go straight in with the first layer of clay. Layer by layer, the head starts coming together, and that's when the fun really begins. I've been drawing ever since I was a kid. I started sculpting just a few years ago, and even though I'm way more experienced with drawing, sculpting is starting to fascinate me more and more. Because at the end of the process, you're not just looking at something, you're actually holding it in your hands. So now I want to know, what about you? Drawing or sculpting? Which one do you like more? Let me know in the comments. My goal? A torn mask, a brutal expression, a Spider-Man that looks like he survived the apocalypse, barely. And yeah, this part right here, probably the hardest challenge of the entire build. If you hate the dentist, look away now. I rip open the mouth area, use wire to hold everything together, and push the details as far as possible. I'm really happy with the eye area. Now only a few small details are left. They already feel alive or undead. On the back, I exposed part of the spine, surrounded by torn skin. Veins on the neck, deep wounds on the skull, everything to make this thing look absolutely monstrous. To add texture to the mask, I press metal mesh into the clay. No idea where to buy it. I stole this one from my dad's workshop. I keep the texture uneven on purpose. This mask isn't supposed to be clean. It's a zombie Spider-Man. Now comes the worst part, the mask lines. Every line, same thickness, perfect placement. I mess this up and the entire mask is ruined. Guys, this part nearly broke me. Just a few more lines, and we're done. The Zombie Spider-Man model is finished. It took a lot of nerves, hours, and way too much coffee, but the result was worth it. And now, the big reveal. In the next video, I'll show you the final paint job and details. Trust me, you do not want to miss that. See you in the next one.